Hi, I will share how to make a Japanese pattern using Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. First, use the polar grid tool to create shapes. You can follow this step. Selection, Object, Pattern, and Make. Activate the Pattern Tile tool and set margins. Change to brick by row. Click Done. Now create a rectangle and fill pattern. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.